Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage access on Discord server. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. When someone joins Discord server, they'll have access to set of abilities or permission that design which action they can take in the server. The server's creator can change this default permission at any time and their change will apply to every user in the server. So, how to manage access on your server on Discord? It's very simple. So first of all, we have to open our Discord. Now you can choose on the server that you want to manage the access. For example, we choose this one, my Karina server. Now you can click on your server name in here. Beside it, click on server settings. On your server settings, there is an option access on the people section. You can just click on that. So in here, you can manage how can people join your server. By default, when you create server, your server will on invite only, so people can join your server directly within an invite. When if you want to change to apply to join, you can just click choose on apply to join, and in this option you can add question why to people can answer when they want to join the server. You can add question and also the answer, or you can choose on discoverable that to choose to set your server to discoverable. Anyone can join your server directly through server discovery. You need to enable community to access server discovery first. So for example, I think I will just choose this. After that, after you finish, choose the access. You can click on save change. So now here's your access to join to your server is applied to join. People must submit an application and be approved to join your server. And anytime if you want to change this access again, you can just go to this section and change maybe to invite only, and don't forget to click on save change. So in here on your server settings where you can manage your not only your access, and also you can add roles, invites, you can manage another settings in here as the owner of the server. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage access on Discord server. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.